Hi, it's Tremont Turner, and I'm here today to talk about some good old Cmos. So I wanted to talk to you about something you can do while on quarantine, something that might be a little bit of fun and may help you out a little bit, just something to do in your free time. So what Cmos is, it's a type of algae that you can find in different parts of the Atlantic Ocean, on the European coast, the North American coast, but where I got mine online through Etsy. And what arrived was this stuff, Wild Harvest Cmos, from cmosplanet.com. How to know if you have some really good quality Cmos. One is gonna smell like it just came from the ocean. It's not gonna have any kind of chlorine smell, and it's also gonna be fairly dried, and it's also gonna be very salty. Get a nice close view of that. It's gonna be very, very grainy. So one of the first things you wanna do, get you a nice sized cup. A little bit goes a long way. So real quick, let me just talk about the benefits of Cmos. One of the benefits of Cmos, it has 92 minerals and nutrients that is made out of the body out of 102. It also helps benefit your immune system. On top of that, it's low in calories for all you calorie counters. On top of that, you can even use it topically on your skin. It helps your gastrointestinal system. It's prebiotic, so you will probably be, you might go a little bit on it. I'm not a doctor, but I'm just letting you know, be careful with anything you're putting into your body. I'm not a doctor. Do your research even more. The things you'll need is a mason jar, glass jar preferably, obviously, a mixing bowl, your Cmos, and you'll want to have purified water. All right, so we just washed it a bunch of times to make sure it was nice and clean. Now, if you've really done a really good job, you'll notice that the color is gonna be a lot more of a kind of milky white kind of color. So that's what you're aiming for. And the last step you wanna do is you're gonna fill it up with nice clean water, not the water that you just washed it with. You're gonna use nice clean water and just let it sit for 24 hours. Make sure it's covering every single bit, okay? Anything that's sticking out isn't gonna soften up. The whole point of this is you wanna have it soften up. So if by chance you don't wanna wait the 24 hours, this is one of the things you can do. Get you a pot, take you some of this nice purified water, and then put your Cmos in it, and then boil it for about 15 minutes. That'll soften it right up. So with this, we're gonna wait the 24 hours, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? So we are back with day 2. So I've had my Cmos here for about 24 hours now. So it's a lot more thick, if you will. It's thicker and it seems like it's about ready to be blended. So let's do it. We're gonna take it out. I've also still had my Oregon crystal in it as well, giving it extra energy and love overnight. So I've had some purified water boiling the last 15 minutes just to get a little bit of hotness to add to our lovely Cmos right here. So we'll start it off just by blending it just a little bit. And you don't want to add your water in too fast. All right, let's see how we did. Take a look at that. Make sure it has some ventilation if you're throwing it in there hot. We have our mason jar. All right, look at it, look at it, look at it. That's liquid gold for the soul. It should be a very creamy texture. Make sure you get every bit. All right, family, take a look. That is pure goodness to gracious Cmos. What you want to use this Cmos, take a tablespoon on your daily. Like, you can have it with your smoothies. You can have it in your juices. Have it with cakes, pies. as a thickening agent, whatever you can think of, your soups, make sure to add just a little bit of Cmos to it so you can get your daily dose in. With that being said, enjoy your Cmos, put it in some smoothies, and throw this in the fridge as well so it'll solidify into a nice gel. Also, it'll last in the fridge for about 2 weeks. After that, not so good. Cmos is a new friend of mine that I love and enjoy and have every day. So thank you guys for watching. Press the like, subscribe, share, all of the above. Thanks for watching. See you later.